Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whether you are a beginner or experienced and looking to upskill in test automation, you are in the right place. I am going to start Tosca automation test series. In this series, we will discuss everything you need to know about Tosca from the basics to advanced techniques. So let's get started. First, understand what Tosca is. Tosca is a scriptless software testing tool, meaning you no need to write any code. Without writing any code, you can automate end-to-end testing of software application. Tosca is developed by Tricentis company. It supports various applications. With Tosca, we can test different applications like web, mobile, APIs, databases. Along with that, we can also test different enterprise applications like SAP and Salesforce. Not only Tosca helps in testing different applications, along with this, it also supports continuous integration. We can integrate Tosca with different CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab, Azure DevOps, and we can improve faster testing delivery. And with this, we can speed up testing process and we can implement DevOps and Agile methodology workflows. These are different features of Tosca. First one is model-based testing. What it means? It means Tosca uses model-based approach. With this, it allows users to create automated test scripts without writing code. So user can develop business process rather than coding. By developing business process, they can automate end-to-end testing of software applications without writing any code. That is the meaning of model-based testing. The second feature is continuous integration. Tosca integrates seamlessly with CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Azure DevOps, GitLab, and it speed up the testing process by enabling DevOps and Agile methodology workflows. This makes it user-friendly and accessible. It helps in end-to-end testing. As I told in my last slide that Tosca supports different application testing like web application, desktop application, mobile application, API application, and databases. Along with this, it also supports testing enterprise application from end to end. Those applications are SAP and Salesforce. It ensures comprehensive validation of complex systems. It also helps in testing AI powered technology. So, Tosca includes artificial intelligence technology to enhance test automation, such as self-healing scripts when application changes occur frequently. Okay, so by using artificial intelligence, we can enhance our testing effectively and efficiently. Then the next one is risk-based testing. Understand how Tosca do risk-based testing. We can prioritize our test cases based on business risks, ensuring critical areas are tested first and ensuring we can catch more number of defects by prioritizing our test cases. Tosca also helps optimizing testing efforts and resources. Then another feature is test data management. Tosca provides tools to manage and reuse test data efficiently, and with this we can minimize duplication and improving consistency. It includes test case design, test automation, test data design, and generation. And with this test data management tool, we can analyze our test cases, we can analyze our business process, and we can give seamlessly a good product to the customer. Now understand what are the benefits of using Tosca? If we use Tosca rather than different automation tool, then what are its benefits? Okay. Tosca reduces manual testing effort. So we can automate repetitive testing tasks, speeding up the testing process. With this, we can save our time and we can reduce our manual testing effort. The next one is improving test coverage and accuracy. Since we are using automation tools, so it reduces human errors. with automated testing. Then team collaboration. It helps developers, testers and business teams work better together. If all the team will collaborate, then they can discuss each and every issue frequently and all the team members can share their feedback. With the collaboration, we can give a better deliverable. Another benefit is faster releases. It speeds up software delivery by testing quickly and continuously. And the main advantage of using Tosca is easy to use since no coding skills required to automate end-to-end testing of application. So it is easy to use. Any non-technical background people who are willing to learn Tosca, they also can learn Tosca and they can easily use this tool to automate end-to-end testing of application. So to summarize advantages of Tosca, in short, it simplifies testing, saves time and ensures better software quality. Tosca is widely adopted by enterprises by aiming a robust, scalable and efficient testing, especially in the industries like banking, healthcare, retail and manufacturing industries. That is why we need to learn Tosca because it simplifies test automation, making it faster and more efficient with its model based approach, no code approach, and you can automate complex tests without programming skills by saving time and reducing human errors. This helps in improving software quality, speed up development cycles, and makes testing more accessible for everyone from beginners to experts. That's all for today's video. I hope you are excited to start your Tosca journey. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, happy testing.